enhances gaming performance, improves multitasking, ensures stability, and adds customizable RGB aesthetics to PCs. My today's video is about top 5 best RGB RAM kits dual channel that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Corsair RGB RAM Kit's dual channel. The Corsair RGB RAM Kit delivers both high performance and stunning visuals for any gaming or high performance PC build. Featuring dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting, each module is equipped with 10 individually addressable ultra-bright LEDs encased in a panoramic light bar, ensuring vibrant lighting from every angle. Its onboard voltage regulation allows for precise, stable overclocking through Corsair ICUE software, offering more control than standard motherboard tools. With custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, users can tailor performance for specific apps or tasks, optimizing efficiency and speed. The RAM also supports maximum bandwidth and tight response times, making it ideal for demanding gaming, content creation, or multitasking on the latest Intel DDR5 motherboards. ICUE software allows users to choose from dozens of preset lighting profiles or create their own, letting your PC reflect your unique style. Combining exceptional performance, reliability, and customizable RGB aesthetics, this RAM kit is a perfect choice for enthusiasts seeking both speed and visual flair. Now our second product is G.SKILL RGB RAM Kit's dual channel. The G.SKILL Ripjaws V series DDR4 memory kit, F43200C16D32GVK, is a high-performance solution for desktop PCs and gaming systems. With a total capacity of 32 GB, 2x16 GB modules, it runs at DDR4-3200 speeds with timings of CL16-18-18-38 at 1.35V, offering excellent performance for gaming, multitasking, and content creation. Designed as a matched kit, it ensures stability and compatibility when used together, so mixing with other memory kits is not recommended to avoid system issues. The modules support both JEDEC standard profiles and Intel XMP overclocking profiles, allowing users to easily optimize performance for their motherboard. Non-ECC 288-pin design fits most modern desktops, while G.SKILL provides a validated list of compatible motherboards through its QVL and RAM configurator tools. Following manufacturer specifications ensures maximum speed, stability, and reliability. Overall, this Ripjaws V kit combines high speed, dependable performance, and ease of overclocking, making it an ideal choice for serious gamers and PC enthusiasts. Our third product is G.SKILL RGB RAM Kit's dual channel. The G.SKILL Trident Z RGB series DDR4 memory kit, F43600C18D32GTZR, is a premium choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both high performance and striking aesthetics. With a total capacity of 32 GB, 2x16 GB modules, it delivers DDR4-3600 speeds with timings of CL18-22-22-42 at 1.35V, ensuring fast and responsive performance for gaming, multitasking, and content creation. These non-ECC 288-pin UDMM modules are designed for desktop systems, and their RGB lighting adds a visually impressive touch, making any build stand out. The kit includes both JEDEC standard profiles and Intel XMP overclocking profiles, allowing users to optimize performance easily. As a matched kit, it should not be mixed with other memory to maintain system stability and avoid errors. G.SKILL provides a memory QVL and RAM configurator tool to ensure motherboard compatibility. Overall, the Trident Z RGB kit combines high-speed performance, reliable overclocking, and customizable RGB lighting, making it ideal for high-end gaming and enthusiast PC builds. Now number 4, Fanxiang RGB RAM Kit's dual channel. The Fanxiang DDR4 RAM is a high-performance memory kit designed for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking speed, stability, and style. Operating at 3600 MHz, it delivers excellent read and write speeds while maintaining superior thermal stability, ensuring smooth multitasking and reliable performance under demanding workloads. Each 16 GB module is rigorously tested under high and low temperatures, guaranteeing professional-grade stability for uninterrupted productivity. Its wide compatibility with motherboards from top manufacturers makes it versatile and easy to integrate into most desktop setups. Installation is simple with a plug-and-play design. Just insert the RAM into your motherboard slots, and you're ready to go. Adding to its appeal, the modules feature 8 individually addressable RGB lights, letting you create a personalized and visually striking gaming environment. Backed by Fanxiang's lifetime quality service, any issues are promptly addressed within 24 hours. Overall, this DDR4 RAM combines speed, reliability, and aesthetic customization, making it an excellent choice for high-performance and visually enhanced PC builds. And our last choice is Kingston RGB RAM Kit's dual-channel. The Kingston Fury RGB DDR4 RAM combines high performance with eye-catching aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Featuring enhanced RGB lighting with a new heat spreader design, it delivers vibrant, customizable illumination that elevates any build while efficiently managing heat for stable performance. Equipped with Kingston's patented Fury infrared sync technology, the RGB lighting is perfectly synchronized across all modules, creating a seamless and striking visual effect. Beyond looks, this RAM is engineered for reliability and improved stability during overclocking, ensuring consistent performance under demanding workloads. IT also supports Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo profiles, allowing easy one-click overclocking and optimized performance tailored to your system, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. With a balance of speed, reliability, and dynamic RGB aesthetics, Kingston Fury RGB DDR4 memory is ideal for building a high-performance, visually stunning PC. It not only boosts system performance but also adds a personalized flair to your setup. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.